you.
It's Homestyle taken to new heights. After all, the chicken fried steak here was named one of the top 10 in Houston.
Oh, we love it. It's consistent.
Just one of the many reasons to check out the Republic Grille in the Woodlands, just north of Houston.
Her favorite is ribeye. I don't know what my favorite is, everything.
Down-home cooking is done right here. Starring Southern favorites like this outrageous Carolina-style shrimp and grits with andouille sausage and pecan smoked bacon. And old-school specials like the hearty liver and onions. These are really good. This grill fires up lots of great burgers. But salad lovers, you'll find all kinds of fresh, colorful choices here too.
What's up, Nick? How are you, my friend?
Good to see
Doing
you.
all right?
You know, we love this place.
Founder Terry McBurney wanted his restaurant to be a neighborhood place, a casual, eclectic spot that celebrates the Woodlands. And you wanted to be the local guys here, right?
We did. We wanted to be very local, and that's why when I developed the concept around the location, it had to be all about the Woodlands. And that's why we have the memorabilia. That's why I did the research to make it so that locals, when they came here, it just wasn't, one photo here or a photo there. It was everything is about the Woodlands.
That memorabilia even includes the napkin developer George Mitchell used to scribble the original plans for the Woodlands. When you opened the restaurant here, did you ever in your wildest dreams imagine you'd have a wait at lunch, sometimes a 2-hour wait for dinner?
No, I did not. It was, I guess you could say it's the proverbial lightning in a bottle.
Yeah.
I never envisioned it would be successful.
Small chicken, waffle fries working?
Success, no doubt, due to getting it right in the kitchen. You guys have an award-winning chicken fried steak.
We do. We never thought that we were going to become a chicken fried steak place, so we just added it to the menu last thing. Said we're in Texas, let's add a chicken fried steak, and the next thing you know...
Yeah, I think it paid off.
It did.
They use certified Angus beef, breading each by hand at least 300 times a day. So it's just like Grandma used to do.
That's not reinventing the wheel.
Well, why? Crispy, golden, done to perfection, covered in scratch-made cream gravy.
That's the liquid gold right there.
And the side dishes, they're a meal on their own. I've heard amazing things about your sides, like the cream corn.
Everything's made from fresh every day, from scratch,
so we're
homemade
gonna do
recipes.
A little tasting. This one I've wanted to try.
Little spicy, very good.
Really? Ooh. Wow. Oh, man. A bit of spice gives it some zing. And the green beans, well, they're just better with bacon. Okay, those are going with my chicken fried steak. Yep. And for good measure, a gumbo too.
People love it.
That is amazing. Oh my gosh.
It's authentic.
So rich, so many flavors.
Yep. Keep it simple. Not too much in there, extra in there, but...
Okay. Don't mind me. Another bright spot at Republic Grille, my new best friend, Edith, their spunky 89-year-old customer relations manager.
Absolutely.
Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you very much.
It's delicious.
She talked her way into a job at Republic Grille.
I enjoyed Terry and everybody who works here, and the food and the drinks. I'm up to 2 drinks a week now.
2 drinks a week?
Yes.
You go, girl.
Oh, I was getting nervous about that. So anyway, it worked out for both of us. And he's a wonderful, kind, thoughtful man. Unfortunately, I'm single and he's married.
Oh, darn it. Darn it. So come share some laughs with Edith, bring your family or friends, and enjoy a place that feels and tastes a lot like home.
Cheers. Cheers.
Time now to find out how to make that delicious shrimp and grits dish they serve at Republic Grille, and I'm with my expert, Chef Belinda, HEB Cooking Connection, who always takes a complicated recipe and makes it easy for us in our own kitchen, right?
That's right. Simplify, simplify. So we are going to use the Bayou Brothers queso that has andouille sausage with some half and half to make that yummy sauce the Republic Grille has.
The cheesy sauce.
The cheesy sauce. We're going to use some uncured bacon from Central Market. We're We're going to use some andouille, or you can use the HEB original pecan smoked sausage, some coarse ground grits, we've got green onion, some bacon over there, and then tomatoes. And we're going to use some of our Sea Pearl Sauvignon Blanc wine with the white Gulf shrimp, Tanji.
All right, let's do it.
All right. In a heavy skillet, heat it up to medium high. Go ahead and put in some butter, your andouille sausage, and the garlic, y'all. You want to go ahead and shake this back and forth. Get a nice little toast on the andouille or your sausage and the garlic there. We're starting by layering on the flavor. Next, we're going to go ahead and put in our white Gulf shrimp that you can get at HEB. And we're going to get some smoke with the Adams Hickory House Rub. Toss it around, let it jump up on your skillet, okay? Your shrimp are done cooking when they change color from pale pink to white. Then add in some of the Sea Pearl Sauvignon Blanc. You can increase the heat. You want to let this reduce a little bit. And a Sauvignon Blanc is going to be a classic pairing with seafood. This Sea Pearl has a wonderful tropical lychee and melon taste on it, and a little hint of grapefruit on the finish. What you're going to do is add in a little bit of butter, take it off the heat. This is going to finish and let the sauce incorporate. And next up, we're going to go ahead and put it on top of the grits. Okay, here we go. We've got the coarse ground grits, and this is the Bayou Brothers queso. They're Cajun queso mixed with some half and half. Bring it to a boil. Next, your shrimp mixture is going to go on top for the goodness.
Yum.
Okay, and next we're going to go ahead and garnish it with the tomatoes on top and green onions and some of the bacon.
Beautiful. Looks fantastic.
The easy HEB version of the Carolina-style shrimp and grits at the Republic Grille. What do you think?
It is fantastic. We've got the recipe online, goodtaste.tv. Yum. Coming up next. Celebrate summer with these awesome wines for less than $10 a bottle. My wine finds are coming up. Plus, they're outrageous, over the top, and downright delicious. Donut creations like you've never seen before.
This is absolutely divine.
Keep your seat at the table. Good Taste will be right back. Good Taste with Tanji is brought to you in part by HEB.